Alright, applications of linear functions. Let's start with the depreciation problem here. 484,000, and then we've got to work out what it's going to be 30 months old. So what do we do?
Well, it's pretty good. It's a real life problem. It's not a really challenging one, but occasionally quite regularly, they do pop up on the exam, and it's good to be really good at these and lock these points away. What we've got here, I think, is best represented in a quick graph where what you can see is the value of the Ferrari on the y-axis and time appearing on the x-axis. We know the Ferrari starts off at $484,000 and will end up at a value of $100,000 over a period of 8 years. Now, 8 years is actually 8 times 12, 96 months, so it's better off.
Right, so you change that to months.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're getting a nice linear graph down to that point there.
We've got 2 points then, is that right?
Yeah. What we want to find is what's happening at 30 months.
Okay.
Okay, now 30 months is going to be some value up here. So this gives us a nice chance to have a look at the solution that we're after. What we can do here is know that we've got a linear relationship that takes the form y equals mx plus c. And we already know 2 points. We know that at x-axis of 96 months, we have a value of $100,000. So we can use those values to find our gradient m.
Mm-hmm.
So we can substitute those values in. We get $100,000 equals the gradient times the x-intercept, which is 96 months, and the y-intercept, which is $484,000. We can solve that to find the gradient pretty easily. So what's the first thing that we do?
So subtract the 484 onto the other side and then divide by the 96.
So minus 384,000 divided by 96.
Gives us a gradient.
Yeah, and that'll give us our gradient, and it works out to be a gradient of minus 4,000.
Minus 4,000, so m's minus 4,000.
Yep.
We'll substitute that back into the original equation.
So the linear equation we have to work with is y equals minus 4,000x plus 484,000. So simply now to find out what the depreciation value will be, we substitute in our y and our x. We're actually after a y value, so what we have to do is substitute in our x value, which is 30 months. So x is 30 months, add on our c value, and solve that. So minus 4,000 times 30 plus 484,000 gives us $364,000, which sounds about right for the value of the Ferrari after 30 months.
Perfect.